In a cozy little bakery lived a cheerful girl named Lily, who loved to bake more than anything. One sunny morning, while tidying up, Lily stumbled upon a dusty old cookbook hidden in the attic. Curiosity twinkling in her eyes, she blew off the dust and opened it. Inside, she found a recipe unlike any other: the Rainbow Muffin. The recipe promised muffins that could bring color and joy wherever they went. Lily was excited to try it. First, she gathered all the ingredients: sparkling sugar, rainbow sprinkles, and a dash of magic. She mixed and stirred with all her might, humming a happy tune. As she mixed, the batter started to shimmer with all the colors of the rainbow. She carefully poured the magical batter into muffin tins. The oven warmed up, ready to bake the colorful treats. Soon, the bakery filled with a sweet, enchanting aroma. The timer went off. The rainbow muffins were ready. Lily opened the oven fast. Inside were the most beautiful muffins she had ever seen. They sparkled and shone, each one a perfect swirl of rainbow colors. Lily took a bite. They tasted as magical as they looked. Suddenly, Lily had an idea. She would share these magical muffins with the world. She packed a basket full of rainbow muffins and set off on her adventure. Her first stop was a town that had lost its color. Everything was gray and gloomy. The houses were gray, the trees were gray. Even the flowers seemed to have faded to gray. The people in the town looked sad and walked around with their heads down. Lily felt a pang of sympathy. She knew just what to do. With a bright smile, Lily approached a group of children playing listlessly in the square.
Hello, would you like to try a rainbow muffin?
She chirped. The children looked up, surprised by the burst of color in front of them. Hesitantly, one little boy reached out and took a muffin. He took a small bite, and his eyes widened. Suddenly, a splash of blue appeared on his gray shirt. Then, the girl next to him giggled as her hair turned a bright shade of pink. The other children gasped as colors started popping up all around them. Red, yellow, green, purple. The square was bursting with rainbow hues. Laughter filled the air as the children danced and played, now full of joy and color. The adults, drawn by the commotion, came out of their gray houses. Lily offered them rainbow muffins, too. As they tasted the muffins, colors began to bloom on them as well. The gray town was transforming into a rainbow town, all thanks to Lily and her muffins. Lily continued her adventure, bringing her rainbow muffins to other places in need of color and joy. She visited a school where the classrooms were dull and boring. She shared her muffins with the students and teachers. Soon, the classrooms were filled with colorful drawings and happy learning. Next, she came to a park where the flowers had lost their petals. She sprinkled rainbow muffin crumbs around the flower beds. Magically colorful petals sprouted on the flowers, making the park bloom again. Birds with dull feathers tasted the muffins, and their feathers turned bright and beautiful. The park became a vibrant, joyful place, full of flowers, colorful birds, and happy people. Lily continued her journey, spreading color and happiness wherever she went. But as she traveled, she noticed her basket was getting lighter. She was running out of muffins. Oh no. What would she do when the muffins were all gone? Then she remembered the magical cookbook. Maybe it had more recipes. She searched and then she found it. A recipe for rainbow sprinkles. The recipe said rainbow sprinkles could make anything colorful and joyful. Lily quickly gathered the ingredients for rainbow sprinkles. She mixed and stirred with even more energy than before. Soon, she had a big jar of sparkling rainbow sprinkles. Now, instead of just muffins, she could spread color with sprinkles too. She sprinkled them on gray clouds, and they turned into fluffy rainbow clouds. She sprinkled them on dull stones, and they became sparkling rainbow gems. Lily realized that even small acts of kindness could bring big changes. And that sharing happiness was the most magical recipe of all. So, Lily continued her Rainbow Muffin and Sprinkle adventure, making the world a brighter place, one color at a time. And the world was forever a more colorful and joyful place, thanks to the Rainbow Muffins and the kind little baker, Lily.